peace and prosperity.
A delegation led by Health Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh is on an official visit to Japan. On September 2nd, the delegation visited the Surumaki Onsen Hospital to meet with nurses from Meghalaya who are employed at this hospital. Today, the delegation will also meet the ambassador of India to Japan at the Embassy of India in Tokyo. On September 5th, Lyngdoh will visit Mizudori Farm of Yats Corporation Private Limited in order to garner more information and knowledge about the cultivation of shiitake mushroom. The visit of the minister follows a memorandum of understanding signed between the Yats Corporation Private Limited and the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the Hill Farmers Union HFU in 2019 for the cultivation of Japanese shiitake mushroom in Meghalaya.